Neutral wires deliver a small amount of power to smart switches. When you turn off a normal switch, the circuit breaks. But with a neutral wire connected, that trickle of power stays on so your smart light switch can stay connected to your home Wi-Fi. Neutral wires are mainly found in newer homes, those built after 1985. These wires return power back to the circuit breaker and are an essential part of your AC power system. But crack open a light switch box and you'll see a ton of different wires. How do you know which is which? Here you can see two black wires. Those are hot and load wires. And that grayish white one below with a wire nut on top, that is a neutral wire. In most light switches, you'll find load wires, hot wires, ground wires, and of course, neutral wires. You can tell which is which by the color of each wire. In the US's wiring code, the black wires are hot wires and load wires that carry electricity to your light switch. You might also find a copper or a green wire that goes right into the earth, grounding your entire electric system. Hence the name, ground wire. And then there's the neutral wires in white. Unless you already have a smart switch connected, chances are they'll be hanging out with a wire nut and waiting for you to connect them.